Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's your girl Mumba. And in today's video we're gonna be cooking with Mumba again. And for today I decided to come up with my own recipe for baking, and we're gonna be making something pastry like, and I'm gonna call them the Mysteryrockies. Yeah, we'll see how they turn out. I've never made this before. It's just a tryout, because you know when you love to cook you try out new things. So yeah, what I have here right now is minced meat. I already made it. Sorry I couldn't show you from the beginning because I didn't really plan on making a video. So this is minced meat with garlic, chopped fresh garlic and onions, and there's red and green pepper, and then I added black pepper, and I also added a little bit of salt, and I added some paprika spice and some sweet chili spice. So yeah, this is it, and I'm gonna be frying it in this oil I have right here. Yeah. Okay. So it's getting ready. It's being fried in the oil, as you can see. There we have it. I pray this comes out really good because I'm hoping for the best, as it is my own recipe. I'll give you the secret ingredient at the end of this video, and trust me, you love it. I'll tell you the name at the end of the video. So just keep watching and you'll find out. So this is how it is. You keep on mixing so you make sure it doesn't stick at the bottom and your minced meat doesn't get black. So you keep moving around and then leave it for a bit and then keep on doing that until it's ready. Then we're gonna add a sauce to it for the finishing. It doesn't take long, it's just been about 3 minutes right now. Been frying it for 3 minutes. I'm gonna add the paste and the sauce to it just for the finishing. Yeah. So this is the sauce that I'm gonna add to my frying minced meat. And this is what the sauce looks like. It has tomato paste, teriyaki sauce, it has sweet soy sauce, and it has parsley spice, and I added a little bit of chili, and then I put some pepper, some cold pepper. So yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit of cold water to it before I put it in the frying pans. So this is the sauce after I added cold water, and now I'm gonna put it in my frying pans. See, it looks super nice. The texture is ready. This is a sauce made by me, by name Winnie, made by Foyvene. So yeah, let's go. You need to mix it until the sauce has fully covered, and then you're gonna leave it to boil for a bit so the sauce can get ready. This is the last part, and then I'm gonna add some carrots at the end. You don't want to add your carrots at the beginning because they're gonna become too soft, and when they bake they might be a little too soft and they'll taste so bad when eaten. So you only add your carrots at the end when everything is ready, so it simmers. So yeah. Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes boiling, and you can see need this beautiful color. You see that? You need this beautiful color. It needs to look this nice. It will be so tasty. I know, never felt anything. This is my very own recipe. So just adding things, just trying out, you know, that's how you come up with things. You put the smallest things and then you get to the big part. And this is so easy, it's so quick. It's literally been 10 minutes and see where we are. So now I'm gonna add my carrots and I'll be good to go. I don't want this to overcook, so yeah. So I'm about to add my carrot now. My carrot is ready. I had to chop it. So I'm gonna add it. This is the carrot. There it is, chopped. I'm gonna place it in here. And there we go. I'm gonna make sure I add all my carrots. And I'm gonna leave it just for 2 minutes, exactly 2 minutes. I don't want the carrot to be cooked in the stew. I want it to be cooked when I put it in the baking. So yeah, just wanna mix it. I don't wanna crush the minced meat, so I'm doing it slowly and yeah. Gonna be ready. Oh, I feel like eating it off and not even adding it to my baked ingredients. So yeah. Wow. The color is amazing. Hope it tastes as nice as it looks. So this is my flour. I added black pepper already, as you can see. This is my flour, and read down in the description box how to measure your flour and everything. I'm gonna write it down. And this is it. So add black pepper, pinch of salt, and your flour. And then I'm gonna add this milk. And then I'm gonna use oil instead of butter. But I'll also give you the butter recipe. I just don't have butter or margarine, so yeah. So add your oil like that. You need enough oil. This is gonna act as your margarine or butter. It's a substitute. But if you have margarine and you want your pastry to be all good, you can use that. Looks like we need more oil, so I'm gonna add. And there we go. So now you can add your milk slowly. Don't add it all at once. Just bit by bit and mix it. This is making your dough. We're gonna roll it. So add more milk till it mixes. So I don't have a rolling pin, and I'm going to be using my hand to make the shape of the pie. The Mysteryrocky pies. So I don't have, so I'm going to be using my palm, and I'm going to be using this part of my hand to. So you keep doing that until you get the soft part. You turn it again, and that's if you don't have a rolling pin. Usually make this using a rolling pin, but I'm using my hand because I don't have one. Let's strategize, guys. And there I go. At least I got a shape, and I don't want to ruin this. It has to be flat on both sides, so there. Got it. I don't have a rolling pin, so I had to use strategy of my hands. So this is a mixture of flour and water. It's just gonna be like a holding to your whatever it is that you make using this. So you dip in here, and then slowly put around so it can hold. So this was the outcome. Don't really mind the pastry because we didn't really use the right ingredients for it, but I'm gonna give you a proper pastry ingredient recipe method, whatever, and you use it. Me not having the ingredients made it a little bit crusty, but here we have our product. Ooh, and it's soft, easily breaks. That is it.